String slicing is one of Python's most elegant features, yet many beginners overthink it. Let's master how to grab the first 3 characters of any string. The answer is simple. Use slice notation with square brackets. To get the first 3 characters, write string bracket 0:3. This tells Python to start at index 0 and stop before index 3. You can also write it as string bracket :3, which is even cleaner. Both forms give you exactly the same result. Here's the key concept: the end index is exclusive. When you write 0:3, Python gives you indices 0, 1, and 2. It stops before reaching index 3. Think of the colon as saying up to but not including. This exclusive behavior is consistent across all Python slicing operations. Notice how we can omit the start index. When you write :3, Python automatically assumes you mean 0:3. The start defaults to the beginning of the string. This shorthand is the Pythonic way to grab characters from the start. 2 important facts. First, slicing always returns a new string. Your original string remains unchanged because strings are immutable in Python. Second, slicing is safe. If your string has fewer than 3 characters, Python simply returns the entire string without throwing an error. No need for length checks. Remember, use :3 for the first 3 characters. It's clean, safe, and distinctly Pythonic. Now practice this on Interview Mentor to master string manipulation. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.